Hello, welcome to the lecture on nomenclature of coordination complexes, that is how to name coordination complexes. There are some rules to be followed to give the names of the coordination complexes. So let's see it one by one. What are the rules to be followed to give the names? So the first is, if a compound is a salt, name the cation first, then the anion. The next point is, when naming a complex ion, name the ligands first, then the metal ion. Anionic ligands end in O rather than in ID. For example, if you have a chloride ligand, it has to be said as chloroligand. A few neutral ligands have special names, or else the neutral ligands are given as it is their names. The name of the complex is a single word. So indicate numbers of ligands with the appropriate Greek prefix di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa. So depends on the number of ligands. So the ligands has to be named alphabetically. For example, if there is a chloro ligand and a bromo ligand, the bromo should be named first and then the chloro ligand. If a ligand is polydentate or its name contains a Greek prefix, but put the ligand name in parenthesis and use the alternate prefix bis, tris, tetrakis, pentakis, hexakis, etc. This is for the chelate ligands and chelate complexes. Use a Roman numeral in brackets right after the name of the metal to specify the oxidation number. If the oxidation number, for example, if the metal ion is iron and its oxidation number is +2, then Roman number 2 has to be written into brackets. If the metal ion is an anionic complex ion, use the ending 8. So let's see the examples of these in the later slides. So these are some of the ligands, anionic ligands, their names, and some of the neutral ligands and their names. For example, Br- is called as bromo, as we saw earlier. F- is called as fluoro. OH- is hydroxo, Cn- is cyano, and in neutral ligands NH3 is called as amine. So it is named called amine, AMMINE, and water ligand is called as aquo. CO is carbonyl, NO is nitrosyl, N2 and so on. So these are some of the names of the common ligands. Next we will see some few examples of those complexes where the names have already been given. Let us see the first complex. Here the chromium is a central metal ion. There are 5 aqua ligands and 1 chloro ligand. So that means aqua A, so chloro, so that means alphabetically aqua should come first and then chloro. Penta, that is why it has been given as penta aquo chloro chromium 3 chloride. That means in the bracket the 3 means that the chromium is having an oxidation state of +3. And there are other examples also, K3s, FeCN6. So here the complex is a negative complex. So it has been given as 8 ATE, as we have seen in the rules, the first slide. Potassium, hexa, there are 6 cyano ligands, so it is called as hexacyanoferrate 3 complex. So there are other complexes which has been named with proper nomenclature rules. Thank you.